What's going on, guys? We are here at the Bantam Quarry at Kildu, getting ready for the Bantam Trailfest. We're gonna have as much video as we can throughout the weekend, so stick with us. Hopefully, a lot of you guys that are watching will be a part of this video. All right, we are here at the 2024 Bantam Trailfest for the night ride. We've got Jeeps going out. They're gonna have a blast, heading out on the trails. We've got some scary clowns out there. We're gonna go out here in a little bit and show you exactly what's going out on the trails. But right here, we've got one of our groups heading out for a good time. WJ to play.
Bye! Oh, you're filming me? I'm telling my editor!
Cool spot up here. You can see a bunch of Jeeps across there coming back Boulevard. You can see our group down in front of us. Pretty neat spot. All right, it is about 8 o'clock. We're ready for our participants to start rolling in today. We got all of our guides lined up. We got a few out on the trails, but we are ready to go for the first daytime trail day of the 2024 Bantam Trailfest. Grand Cherokee with all the scratches. That's wonderful. Yep.
Hi guys! Hey Steve, I'm a little behind. Which trail are we on? We're gonna do Blue North. Sounds like my radio died on me. Alright, I'm just dropping it. Landing. Hey John, how many we got back there? Somebody I lost count. Sounds good. South side is 7 points. Just starting in the rock organ. Bill, I'm guessing they're all waiting on this hill because I'm stuck back here. Yeah, I was just gonna say, I just got that.
Daisy entering.
Here we go, traffic jam.
You had it. You're good. There it is. All right, we're here for day 3. This is Sunday morning. We're helping a participant get aired down, ready for the trails. Have a little rain over the night, so things are gonna get a little slippery. So we're definitely pushing the airing down today. But the sun's shining, ready for another good day. We're out here on one of the blue trails on the Sunday morning of Bantam Trailfest, waiting for some Jeeps to come through, see how they do on our freshly rained on slimy trails. Good job. Come on, Chris.
Copy that. I'm at the top of the hill.
Stay in it. Stay with it. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. No, try again. This'll do it. That'll help. There you go. There you go.
Jim, is that you caught up now? Well, this is like staging and
You Rubicons with your lockers make it a lot easier. You're still gonna need a bump, but with lockers it's easier.
Rob, you just want me to take these people down the hill?
That should be fine. Just a little momentum. More better. Good job. Nicely done. It's a nice chicken you got there. All right, guys, that's pretty much a wrap for Bantam Trailfest 2024. We have a few more Jeeps coming through the staging, but we're pretty much done. We have a little work to do to get the trails cleaned up, but it's been a fantastic weekend. I hope to see you guys come back in June and again next fall at Trailfest. Thanks for watching.